Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So guess what, today we're going to change the oil in this bad boy. We're going to change the oil, we're going to change the oil filter, which is located at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, it's located down there, but we're going to do that from underneath the car. Not a big deal. And also what we're going to do is go inside. We're going to go inside and we're going to reset the oil life for you guys. So with all that said, let's get started into the video. What we're gonna do is locate the cap for the oil, which is gonna be right here. We're gonna unscrew it. When you unscrew it, it allows the oil to drain faster than normal, all right? And it let the oil drain out in a steady stream, so there won't be any mess. So we have this off right here. And also guys, it should take 4.6 quart. This is a 2.4 liter engine right here, so it should take almost 5 quarts. So 2.4 liter right there. And we're gonna go ahead and lift the vehicle up and get underneath the car. And if I don't know if I mentioned, but it takes 0-20. So guys, we're here. What we're gonna do is locate the drain plug. It's just here. I already loosened it already. It's 17 millimeter to take it out, and we're gonna let it drain. And our oil filter is right here in the front, so we're gonna let that drain right there. You can see it's draining. Once that done drain, we're gonna come right here and take out the oil filter. So we're gonna let that drain. You see how it's draining out? That's because I take off the oil cap. It's not gapped in for here. So after that done, we're gonna move to the filter. Alright, so now the oil stopped drain. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna insert back our drain plug, and then we're gonna move towards the oil filter. So these, you just gotta snug it up, not by hand, but actually with your tool. So you can turn it until it meet contact with the vehicle. Until it meet contact with the oil pan. Alright, meet contact, then I'm gonna turn it a little bit, just like that, and that's all you need to tighten your drain plug if you don't have the torque spec for it. Or if you don't even have a torque tool, that's all you need. And then we want to come right here. Sometimes you can do it by hand to remove it. If not, you're gonna get an oil filter puller. I'm gonna go get one out my toolbox. So you can see this right this. And you want to go counterclockwise with this, guys. So counterclockwise, once it get loose, you can use your hand, spin it a little bit, let it drain some, then you can just take it out. So it's out. I'm gonna get the other filter and just screw it back in, just like that. So guys, link will be in the description for oil and filter as well. And then you can just go ahead and just, once the filter make contact with the engine, you just turn it 3/4 to a full turn, whichever one you can get. So that's how you would go and tighten it up, okay? Then you want to double check, and then once that's done, you can get your to spray down the bottom of the engine to just clean up any leftover oil. So now guys, we're just gonna clean it. So I'm just gonna let that sit and dry. I'm gonna lower the vehicle to add some oil in it, because that's it. So it take around 4.5, 4.6, somewhere around there, quart of oil. So I'm gonna put 4 quart of oil and check it. If we need more, we'll just add more to so just order 5 quart of oil, put 4 in it, check it, see if it need any more. If it need more, you add some more. If you don't need any, you leave it, but add 4 first. So guys, now that we do that, we're gonna check the oil. We add 4 quarts already, so we're gonna check the oil. So now you can see we're at the full mark. So what we're gonna do now is start the car, let the oil filter get full, and then we're gonna come back and check it after a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So let it run for a little bit, just to get the oil circulate throughout the engine, which it is right now. Just a few minutes, and then what I'm gonna do is cut it off and let the car sit for like 2 minutes. Let it sit for 2 minutes so all the oil can drain down, and then we can see where to go from there. We're gonna reset our oil life, our service, our maintenance, or whatever it may be. So we're gonna cut the car off. So if the car is on or if the car is off. Alright, so now it's off. We're gonna turn the car on. Once it's on, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it off. And then we're gonna come over here and press this right here. This is a button we're gonna use to navigate throughout the system. So once I press it and it go right there, I'm gonna press it and hold it now. It start blinking, I'm gonna let it go. Then I'm gonna press it one time, and then once you press it one time, it's gonna mark clear and it's gonna reset, and that's all it reset to 10,000. So they want you to change your oil every 10,500 miles or 9 months. So on this Mitsubishi Outlander. So this is a 2020, but if your Mitsubishi look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure no matter what year it is, and that's how you reset your oil life or maintenance or service. And also guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow this channel together. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the car off now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add check it. So now we can see that it's right here, just under the full mark, so that's good. If you want, you can add oil, but if you don't, that's still okay. If you're making a spill, just get the rag, just wipe it off, just like that, and that's it guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.